Okay. So now this is the question of reasoning and this is the question of puzzle, right? Now what is the type of puzzle? So this is your, if you just have a glance, so here you can see engineer, doctor, and then you can see here family members. So means this is your gender plus profession concept. Okay, gender plus profession concept. Now whenever in exam hall, obviously you will attempt this in second round. Okay, this you will not touch in first round. Okay, if you are supposed to click on next button in front of you, this question will come directly. You will go to next question. Okay, you will not read it again and you will not waste your single second here. First point. Second point, whenever you will get gender plus profession concept, here first target is to identify the gender, because if we got the gender, then profession also automatically follows always. Okay, so now here first we will try to guess the gender first. So see, PQRSTV are the member of family. Okay, in this family there are 3 female and 4 males. So this is the first key point. Total females are 3 and total males are 4. In this group, 2 members are manager and there are 2 lawyers, 1 teacher, 1 engineer, 1 doctor. Okay, so again second clue we have that we have lawyer and manager 2 each. Okay, 2 person lawyer, 2 person manager, and then engineer, doctor, and teacher we have 1 each. Okay, means 1 engineer, 1 doctor, and 1 teacher. Right? Neither the female is a teacher or engineer. Now this is the very important point here. So female is not teacher or engineer. Okay, very important point. Total females are 3. Out of these 3, no one is teacher and engineer. Right? Now let's start. R is the lawyer who is married to P. Okay, now see, in this we don't know who is male and who is female, right? Let's see how law is. R is lawyer, so 1 lawyer gone. Okay, there will be only 2 lawyer among 7, 1 lawyer gone because R is lawyer, and P the teacher. P is teacher. Okay, so 1 teacher completed. Now here it is given that female is not teacher, means what? P is your male. For male basically we will use square always, and for female we will use circle always. Okay, for married relation we use this arrow, both side arrow. Okay, second statement, engineer V is married to V, so V and S. So V is your engineer, so okay, engineer also gone. Okay, 1 engineer gone, 1 teacher gone. Now married to S, who is neither lawyer nor doctor. So S is not doctor or lawyer. Okay, now see, doctor, lawyer, and teacher and engineer gone. Okay, 1 more profession is left here. So either it may be manager, okay, or it may be lawyer, because 1 lawyer is also, lawyer is not. Okay, so manager and teacher and engineer gone now, and doctor also gone. So obviously it is manager. Okay, it is manager. Now basically engineer V is married to S. What is given? Neither female is engineer or teacher, means engineer V means what? This is your male and S is female. Okay, and this is married relationship. Now 2 females have same profession. Again, this is the main important thing. 2 female have, 2F have same profession. Okay, W who is manager and sister is teacher. So W manager and his sister is teacher. Q is teacher. W is manager. So 2 manager gone, engineer gone, lawyer gone, teacher gone, right? And here it is given 2 female have same profession. How many females we got? Lawyer, manager. Okay, so here now 2 manager gone. See, okay, and lawyer means Q is also lawyer. The question is asking then, what is the profession of Q? So answer is B. Okay, so like this quickly. Now here you can see in front, means approximately 3 minutes it take to solve this question. That's why I told you to take it in second round. Okay, now here I require 3 minutes, means in exam hall at least 3 to 4 minutes you require if you practice ample amount of questions. So whatever daily telegram PDF you are getting, your first job is to practice daily puzzle, so that this kind of question quickly you can solve in exam hall, because this marks you can get. Okay, and other will be face difficulty to solve such kind of question. So this kind of question make the difference in your final merit list, right?